Mahal ko, happy 1 year anniversary. I love you so much. I miss you so much. Thank you sa 365 days na pinasaya mo yung buhay ko, binago mo yung buhay ko. Hindi man tayo magkasama, sobrang feel ko kung gaano mo kamahal. Thank you sa pag-unawa mo sa akin, kahit sobrang hindi ko mapigil yung emosyon ko. Nandyan ka pa din. Maraming salamat dun sa love mo sa akin, mahal ko. I love you so much. Looking forward to grow old with you dun sa mga plans natin. Sana lagi kang nandyan. And more years to come for both of us. Magkalayo man tayo ngayon sa first year anniversary natin. I wish and I pray na sooner na we'll be together. Thank you so much for being a good boyfriend to me, for being a good friend, advisors, lahat na sobrang thankful ako for having you in my life. I miss you, mahal. I miss you. I love you so much. Mahal na mahal kita. And long years for both of us. And thank you sa through good times and bad times, nandyan ka for me. I love you. I miss na po kita, mahal ko. I miss you.